Hi guys, in this videos we are going to be checking out the top 10 best dash cam for truckers that are available on the market for the true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's start it with the video. Number 10. Ricksang V1 Wi-Fi Car Dash Cam. If you're a truck driver who loves panoramic views, the Ricksang V1 is the perfect camera for you. With its ability to record panoramic views, especially in hilly areas, you'll never miss a beat. The main highlight of this unit is its camera, which lets you take high-resolution photos with ease. With a 1080p Full HD resolution, you can rest assured that your images will never be distorted. If you want to buy this product, please check link in the description below. Number 9. KDLink X1. The next one is an exciting option is this model from KDLink that, equipped with GPS technology. There are only positive reviews possessed by this unit primarily among the American truckers. It comes with a great sort of advanced features having a 6-glass lens. The list of advanced features in the unit includes 165-degree rotation, GPS, 1080p Full HD resolution, and the latest super night vision. Number 8. Wheel Witness Dash Cam. The 8th position is accommodated by this model that can be installed pretty easily without any problem. It only requires a plug-in and plays a system for convenient operation. There is a top-quality 6-glass precision lens installed on the system that records videos comfortably. It is the best dash cam for truckers that come with on-the-fly zoom function. For better zooming, the users can easily see the license plates of other vehicles even at night with its camera. Number 7. Old Shark Dash Cam. If you are looking to shop an exceptionally designed unit at a lower budget, then go for this dash cam from Old Shark brand. Despite being available at an affordable price, there is no shortage of exciting features in the unit. It includes emergency lock key, HD recordings, crash detection, and G-sensor technology. Additionally, the zinc alloy shell makes sure the unit for extra protection. Number 6. Itru X6D Dual Car Dash Cam. The next unit about which we want to talk about is the Itru X6D that is created in a highly powerful and compact construction. The main highlight in this product is its night mode that allows the camera to perform exceptionally well. A 1-year warranty backs this dash cam against defects. The installation process gets completed quite easily with the help of 3M adhesive tape. It ensures that you can save time as well as effort during this installation process. Number 5. Allkey Dash Cam Camera. The 5th position in the list is this brilliant dash cam that utilizes the power of the Sony Exmor IMX323 sensor. There is a 1080p resolution provided by a unit that allows the users to record ultimate level loop recording, sharp images. The cam's coverage is pretty wide thanks to the presence of a 170-deg viewing angle. This unit is extremely effortless and securely in a matter of minutes. It is an inexpensive model backed by a 2-year warranty for the customer's peace of mind. You will get a complete set of accessories like 6 cable clips, sticker mount, power cable, 45-day money-back guarantee, user manual, and 3 3M stickers. 4. Street Guardian SG96665 GCV3 Edition. Available in 6 different versions. This easy-to-set-up dash cam is the right choice to make if you are in search of a dual model. It is a fine model that fits perfectly on the truck and records awesome day and night videos. The biggest feature we like in this dash cam is the free desktop software that makes access to these videos easier. The company delivers this product to the customers after the brief testing phase. On top of that, they offer pretty brilliant customer support for ensuring buyers don't have a problem at all. Number 3. Anker Rove Dash Cam. The unit that we can't resist without adding in the top 3 positions is this incredible model from Anker brand. It fits perfectly near the rear view mirror, allowing the camera to record brilliant videos. There are 2 mounts available for the easy installation process. Moreover, the people who drive their truck in dark tunnels can record clear cut videos with this unit. It even works perfectly on the low mode, allowing the buyers to have a comfortable experience. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam 35. Garmin Dash Cam 35 is an exciting option that offers a great variety of benefits to the users. It equipped with many useful warning systems that boost the safety to a different level. Additionally, this best dash cam for truckers comes with incident detection technology for providing protection against collisions. Furthermore, the presence of 3.0 inches LCD screen allows you to view recorded videos whenever needed. Also, the memory card can be hooked to PC for checking footage at any time. Number 1. Blackbox G1WB Black Bezel Dash Cam. If any product that deserves to top this list, then it is definitely Blackbox G1WB, that only not available at a budget-friendly price, but also has a great list of exciting features. The full 1080 PhD recording offered by this exceptional unit can satisfy the needs of buyers comfortably. It comes with G sensor that lets the recording begin instantly after braking or rapid acceleration. Low